Welcome to a tutorial on downloading FortNite for free on iPhone and iPad. This is very easy to do. Let's begin. First, to avoid any future disappointment, you need to see if your iOS device is compatible. As you can see here, it lists the compatible and non-compatible devices. If your device is on the compatible list, then let's move on. Before downloading, you should also check if you have enough memory. This is quite a large game. It says its current size is 139 MB. Let's just head over to Settings, click on General, and then click About to see how much storage is free on the device. As you can see, I have plenty of room to download this game. Now go back to the home page of your iPhone and go to the App Store. In the search bar, search for FortNite. You should see the option to install the game. I don't have the option because it is already installed on my device. It is a big game, so have some patience when waiting for it to install. Once it's downloaded, it is ready to play. If your device is not supported, the game will crash on launch, so it's important to have checked you have a compatible device. And that draws an end to this quick tutorial on downloading FortNite on iOS. Please like the video if it helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorials.